This is another training video. Specifically in this video, we're actually going to be showing you two different types of training/trading mechanisms. One of them is RSI and the other one is RSI stochastic. So RSI is the one going to be over here, and that is this one over here. This effectively shows you when something is overbought or oversold. Ease of use, let me get rid of that and make this a little bit larger. Okay, perfect. So when it's quite simple to understand, when something is navigating between 30 and 70. So 30 is when something has been oversold. So effectively, if you look over here at the Bitcoin, right over here at 7496, you realize actually it's going to be oversold at that moment in time, and realistically speaking, we might see a chance of it hitting a higher level like 7.6. Again, the same can be said when it is at 70. At 70, as you can see up here, and again, let's show you another time. Over here, you can see it's actually oversold. Again, you can see it's oversold here. Therefore, that's why you recognize the dumping over here. And one last thing about RSI stochastic is that, again, guys, it's a lagging indicator, which means that already the market has moved ahead of the position that it currently shows you on the indication, which means it's out of date effectively as soon as it's produced, which makes it a little bit more difficult in 1 minute time frames, but in the 1 hour, 1 day, it's super helpful as well. Now we're going to be showing you stochastic RSI, and that is the one presented over here. So stochastic RSI effectively shows the same sort of thing. Over there again, it's oversold. Over here, it's bought. But here, when it's crossing over, so when you see it's crossing over, that's when you're sort of getting a signal. So over here, you see it's crossing over, and roughly over here, it's crossing over as well. So over here, it's crossed over on the RSI stochastic at around 5, the level 5, and here it's crossed over again, and you can see that we've seen the Bitcoin jump from roughly 7,113 to 7,314. So it's an excellent indicator that you just need to watch out for as soon as it crosses over. We'll show you one where it's oversold. So here you can see, let's go over here. It's actually crossed out over here. It's just crossed over, which means again, it's looking ready to be bought. Perfect, and that's all for RSI stochastic.